Hey guys, it's Holli with Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to lay vinyl on a tumbler. For this project, you'll need transfer tape, vinyl, weeding tool and scissors, and your tumbler. Today I'm using rose gold vinyl from Craftables.com, and I'll just lay it on my mat and smooth it down. Then I'll load into my Cricut. Just put a little bit of pressure against your wheels and hit the arrow to load. For a 20-ounce tumbler, I'm going to make it about 3 inches wide, and in design space, I'll hit continue, and then I'll select vinyl for my material. When you're ready, hit the flashing C to cut. Hit the arrows to unload your mat when your project has finished cutting. Now I'll peel my vinyl away from the mat. I'll trim away just my design, and then I'll save the rest of my vinyl for later projects. Starting at one corner, I'll start to carefully weed away my vinyl. And then I'll go back with my weeding tool and pick away the small parts. I'll put my design over my transfer tape and cut away just enough to cover the design. Peel the backing away from your transfer tape and apply it over your design, and then scrape over the transfer tape to get it to stick. You can use a scraper, a squeegee, or even a credit card. I'll wipe down the surface of the tumbler with alcohol, and it just helps the vinyl get a better stick. Tumblers do like to roll when you apply your decal, so I'll just use my scissors to make it easier to apply. I'll peel the transfer tape away from the backing, and using the grid lines as a guide, I'll apply it to the tumbler and smooth down. After I've smoothed, I'll peel away the transfer tape, and our project is finished. So thanks for watching, and you can find more info at shopcraftables.com.